Mobile home eviction is a legal process of removing a tenant from a mobile home that they have been renting but are no longer entitled to occupy. Evictions can occur for various reasons, including failure to pay rent, violation of the terms of the lease agreement, or expiration of the lease term. The process for mobile home eviction in Pennsylvania generally follows the same steps as a standard eviction for a rental property. The landlord must first provide the tenant with notice of the eviction and an opportunity to address any issues or violations that may be the cause for the eviction. If the issues are not resolved, the landlord can file a complaint with the court to begin the formal eviction process. Once the court approves the eviction, a sheriff or constable may be authorized to physically remove the tenant and any personal property from the mobile home. It is important to note that mobile home eviction proceedings can be complex, and there may be specific requirements that landlords must follow under Pennsylvania law. If you are a tenant facing an eviction, or a landlord seeking to evict a tenant from a mobile home, it may be helpful to consult with a real estate attorney or housing specialist who can provide guidance on the legal process and help protect your rights. You can sell evicted mobile home in PA. Yes, you can sell an evicted mobile home in Pennsylvania, but there may be some legal requirements and limitations that you need to be aware of. Firstly, if the mobile home was subject to a lien or mortgage, you may need to satisfy any outstanding debts or obligations before you can sell it. Additionally, you may need to obtain a title or transfer of ownership from the previous owner or the state of Pennsylvania's Department of Transportation. In some cases, a mobile home may have been classified as personal property, which means that you would need to transfer ownership through a bill of sale rather than a deed. If the mobile home is attached to a piece of real estate, then it may be considered part of the property and would need to be sold along with the land. It's also important to note that Pennsylvania has laws governing the sale of mobile homes, including requirements for disclosures and the use of sales contracts. You may want to consult with a real estate attorney or mobile home specialist to ensure that you comply with all applicable laws and regulations.